Okay, come here, Luigi. I want to take your picture. Close up.
I'm ready for my close-up, Mrs. DeVille.
Wow. Okay, who's going to go the fastest? Let's see where they go.
I'll announce the winner.
On your mark, don't go in the water. Stay in the grass. Go to the fence with the weeds and come back. On your mark, get set, go.
No! No, Luigi! Aha! Got him out!
What if we put obstacles? What if we put obstacles and you steer around?
Now you got to come back. Turn around.
What if we put obstacles and you have to steer
Oh
around?
no, I'm swamped. Pete, get him out. He's stuck.
No,
You
put
don't
him
bring him back. Put him back there so I can race him back.
Okay, let's see who can come back now. Come on. Come on, guys. On your mark, get set, go.
Go on the path part. It's like a little path. There's my gut.
Oh, dang it. You beat me. Good
Or you
job.
guys could use